Hello friends, before I begin this tutorial, I would like to extend my appreciation and thank you to those who subscribed to my channel. I really appreciate your support and thank you very much. So now we begin round 17 of this tablecloth, star hearts and pineapple. So to begin the round, we slip stitch 7 times on each and every stitch. So that's 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and into the chain 2 space of the shell. Then chain 2 to count as 1 double crochet, 1, 2, and then double crochet on the same space. Then chain 2, 1, 2, and 2 double crochet on the same space. And we just made 1 shell. So chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and single crochet between the post of the next half shell, this one. So make a single crochet between the double crochet post, not on the stitch but between the double crochet post. So chain 3 again, 2, 3, and make a shell on top of the shell. Remember that to make the shell we make 2 double crochet, chain 2, and then 2 double crochet again on the same space. Then chain 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and make a shell on top of the next shell, this one. Know that we are just repeating what we made here at the beginning. So 2 double crochet on the next shell, chain 2, 2 double crochet again to complete the shell, and then chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and single crochet on the space between the 2 double crochet posts of the next half shell, right there. Chain 3, and make a shell on top of the shell, and chain 7 again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we repeat what we done here up to chain 7, and then we repeat that onto the next group of shells, and we do it all around the circle. And it is important to note that the beginning is a chain 2 and also a shell, so it's not really necessary to mark the beginning because you can easily identify it. When you come to the end of the round, you will put the ending slip stitch on the second chain of the beginning chain 2, which is part of the first shell that you made. But for clarity's sake, I'll go ahead and mark that. So how easy is that? This is, I think, is the easiest round so far.